moondev.com, starting here today at 10 a.m. Eastern time. Obviously, it's a little bit later than that. But will I stay later than 1 p.m. Eastern? Probably, because I've been here all day, every day for the last multiple days, actually for 5 years. And today is going to be no different. I got a ton of things to cook on here, and I will show you absolutely everything. If you do get in here before the end, I should change this to like 2 or 3 p.m. Eastern, but we'll see. Um, the full replay will be sent to you in case you cannot stay for the whole time. I get that. Don't worry. So you get the full session here, Zoom session, plus a how to automate your trading masterclass you can watch on your own time. Today in the Zoom, you also get a couple bonuses here. The first is the MoonDev Data API. The second is the MoonDev AI. The third is the MoonDev app. And then the fourth is the algo trading roadmap. So you can check out the docs in order to see what the API does. And you can also see here, if you scroll through the docs, you can understand everything. And you can also go to the roadmap, moondev.com/roadmap here, in order to see the full algo trading roadmap. I'll show you step by step how to go through my free content in case you want some more freebies. Okay, there's a bunch of good videos here in the roadmap part. You got the Discord community as well. You've got the frequently asked questions. You've got my RBI system, the system that I follow to automate my trading, a bunch of ideas here, a book list so you can go ahead and get started on your own, a bunch of code from videos as well. So there's a lot of fire here. Let me go ahead and get that key to you right now, ASAP. Okay, let's get it. Okay, we reloaded. Okay, let's go ahead and get that key to you right now, my dude. Get the chat going. Where are you? Where are you? Here we are. 777. Much love. Hello, Kelly. How are you doing? Bliss. Good to see you. Alex Anderson. You seem new here. Welcome to the crew, bro. Art, what up, dude? Hellfire is new as well. What's up? 777G. Phil, good to see you again. Where's Phil? Fuck. We lost Phil. Good to have everybody. Much love to you. Thanks for coming through. Let's get it. So what's up? I think it's from the Hangover. I think it's from The Hangover. That was a good movie. Thursday is the day I know more. Okay, I'm doing good. Thank you, bro. Let's get it. 777. I put the key in the chat. Everything's in the chat. So you do see what you get when you arrive. You get these bonuses along with the Zoom. So if you have any questions, go ahead and ask them in the Zoom. I got a bunch to work on, but let's get it. 777. Okay, first. Oh my God. I'm down to $21. I got absolutely rugged. First off, I got rugged. Okay, Robinhood's cooked. Robinhood chain is cooked. Holy helly. This is when I flipped it to the Kimi 3 version. I wonder what happened. I wonder how Bliss is doing. Are you still printing, Bliss? So blizzy up here, going hard up here in the leaderboard. So blizzy. Okay, so my Robinhood sniper is absolutely cooked. That's the first thing I've seen of it today. Let's go ahead and put the key in here. And let's go ahead and see what's going on with Robinhood. I got schmizzoked. You're rewriting your dashboard? Seems fine. Interesting. Yeah, dude, I am down to 2355. Started with 90 something. So I wonder what happened. Let's go here. Let's go to Block Scout. Robinhood chain. The heli? Kind of $18 here. Tokens. Got a bunch of shitty tokens. Pawns. Block Scout, you're not moving too fast, baby boy. Okay, let's go check out one of these. I just want to see what they are looking like. Did they just rug? I mean, clearly they just rugged. All these tokens. Oh, shit, that's not even a token. Contract? Doesn't even come up on deck screener. I wonder if it comes up on Bird Eye. Bird Eye? There we go. Pawns. Okay, so you can see I just bought a rug. I think I must have just bought a bunch of rugs. Okay, removed liquidity 5 days ago. Jesus, dude. That's a long time ago. So that wasn't even recent. Let's go to transactions. Let's do that. Most recent. I think here, if we go transactions here. Withdraw. Oh, God. Did they give me again? Withdraw, 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 withdraw. 39 minutes ago, withdraw. Let's go ahead and think about this. Well, let's go talk about it. Let's go get the AI going. All right, so I have a Robin Hood chain sniper. You can see it actually, the RH sniper. Anyways, I want you to go ahead and look into any of these. Am I getting rugged instantly? Meaning that I'm signing some contract that's allowing them to transfer my tokens, because it looks like I have $20 now. And when I went to sleep, I had 75. So it looks like I'm absolutely smoked. That being said, can you go ahead and analyze some of these screenshots from the actual trades that I made? Because I think this will tell us if it's one of those contracts that has something malicious in them that essentially when you buy, it then sends to another address. Okay, here's some screenshots that you can look into. Thank you. I do see withdrawals here. Well, what's a withdrawal? So you can see approve, token transfer. I might be cooked. No, I'm definitely cooked, but let's see how I got cooked. Contract call. I'm going to give her the address as well so she can investigate. How about that? Hey, here's the ID as well. Also, here's the address so you can do your own investigation on what's going on with the tokens. Essentially, like, am I buying stuff and then sending? I see a bunch of withdrawals inside the screenshot. But go ahead, you have the access to Alchemy and my API key for that as well, so you can go ahead and look into all that. Okay, let's give her some more information as well. This withdraw's a little sketch. Where's it withdrawing it to? Where is it sending it to? And why are you so slow, Block Scout? Let's lock in. Okay, so you can see here. Oh, tokens burnt. So maybe this is just for gas or something. And I did just get rugged on all these. We'll see. Let's do a full investigation here because I think it's important. Because I got to decide if I'm going to spend more resources on Robinhood Chain. And I haven't done my first look yet, but I do see my Solana still alive here. So the Solana bot so far is obviously better, but I've put in way more effort into it. This is just a 1 day thing with $95. So it's not, I always say start with small size, something that's not going to kill you. Like if I put in, 100 G's or whatever, and I woke up to this big a downness, I would be gutted. But I honestly couldn't really care less about $72. Grateful as fuck, to be honest. Grateful, grateful, grateful. Grateful, grateful, grateful. Agentic Hood. Let's see what this is the most recent buy. Let's see what's going on with it. Okay. Nice buy, bro. Nice buy. Nice buy. Okay, great buy. Great first buy. So that's just went to zero naturally. It doesn't look like, okay, you can see a hood. Do I still have that in my wallet is the question. Because then this transfer thing doesn't really matter. Or this withdrawal, it might just be for gas. No, but isn't gas usually bundled in here? I don't know. A hood. Damn, I don't have it. Oh, this is a token transfer. No. Yeah, it says transfer here, token transfer. What up, Chad? How are you, bro? So, for example, this A hood one here, I'll give you the link. I don't have it in my wallet. I know it went to zero, but did it get transferred out or something like that along the way? Go ahead and do an analysis on my last few trades here. Let's go here and say, okay, that one's not in my wallet, so transfer. But this is showing that it transferred WETH. So 506. 506 is me. 506, 506. Contract call here. Interacted with contract, this contract here. Token transfers. I'm gonna need you to just do this, gang, because this shit is too difficult. Yeah, I'm just gonna need you to analyze what's going on. Anyways, long story short, went from like $75 to $20 in ETH, and I don't see that one token in my wallet. I know it's only worth like the whole market cap is 2,500, so it's pretty much gone. It's zero, but I don't even see it in my wallet. So I just feel like something sketch is going on over here on Robinhood chain. Thank you. Or at least my sniper, not on Robinhood chain itself, but my sniper is getting fucking railed. All right, let's do my test here of what is popping. Okay, looks like Robinhood chain is still alive though. We see 15 on here. Let's get to 18. We see 18 on here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, so Robinhood chain is the winner today. They haven't been the winner all week, but today they have the most on the page. So it is what it is. Jimothy, the raccoon, is the number one Solana one. Jimothy. How's it doing? Damn, it's at 20 M's? Holy helly. This went crazy over the last few days. We caught this early, or we saw it early. Let's see what my Solana bot, see if it caught it. I think it did. Let's double check. Where art thou? Where art thou? Lot of printouts here, huh? Jimothy here. Jimothy the raccoon. Okay, we're up 5x on Jimothy the raccoon. Nice. Okay, so it did catch that. I need to be more aware of what's going on here because 5x is really not that much when this chart has gone 50x. Ni hao. What up, bro? Ni hao to you too. I'm doing pretty good. Thank you. Thank you. The VOD? Nah. If you want the replay, jump into the Zoom call. I'll send the Zoom replay to everybody here that's in the Zoom on the page that you joined on. Okay, so she's, oh my God, invalid. You little hoe. You little hoe. Some people ask me what is the difference between the stream on YouTube or and the private Zoom. Well, first off, you get a chat with me. I respond to chat inside of the private Zoom. We're chatting all day. So you get direct access there. Second off, this is an ad right now. You get no ads in the Zoom. You don't miss any of the juicy part. And the thing is I'm focused. I'm locked in. So sometimes I throw the ad on and I just let it go. So if this is your fourth, fifth time hearing this ad, yes, it's a replay. It's an ad. You want the real stuff? Throw 5. It's $5. You'll get to see exactly over a quant's shoulder. Changes every day, but you know I'm cooking. I've been cooking for 5 years. It's time to close it down to the public. I did get hacked, so I can't show this to everybody. You want to come to the Zoom, click the link. It's moondev.com. 2 to 4 hours, no script. Come find out what happens. You'll get to see all the code. And yes, you get a replay. So just in case you can't make it or you're late or right now, maybe we're an hour in and you're like, hey, should I join? Yeah, you should join because you get the full replay and nobody else gets the replay. So it's a private Zoom. You get full chat. You get the Zoom right now. You get the full replay. You have a community of us all building trading bots. Ask questions to me, Moondive. Ask questions to them. Let's get it. Sounds exactly like the self-sweep backdoor scam we've caught before. Let me look at the screenshots, then run on-chain forensics on that wallet. Thank you. Also, somebody went ahead and quote unquote pen tested my website. So let's go ahead and fix that because these pen testers, you know, they say they're not hackers, but it's literally hacking. They're just trying to get clients. That's okay. Thank you, dude. Thank you for pen testing for me. Now I'm just going to send all those fucking screenshots in here because I'm a data dog. I don't need to pay you money. And you might be here, but this guy hit me up, essentially said, I've got a bunch of different security flaws in my shit. And I probably do. I probably do. So let's go ahead and fix all of them. Let's go fix all of them. You're going to pen test a data dog. That data dog's going to just do it himself. He's not paying you, bro. I'm sorry. And pen testing without permission is called, what is it called, people? What is it called? Pen testing without permission. It's called hacking. It's called hacking. But I'm grateful that you guys pen test my shit. Thank you, Glenn. Thank you, Glenn. Thank you for being aware of that. He said, bro, I'm a pen tester and I found all these vulnerabilities. And I said, bro, thank you, but you're a hacker. And he said, well, I guess you're right. It's illegal. I know it's illegal. I'm not tripping. I'm actually grateful that he did it. But we gotta call a spade a spade. It is technically illegal to do pen testing. Wink wink. Without being an actual pen tester. But he did send me some screenshots, so I will go ahead and fix those things. Here over on the Moon Dash. All right, so I had somebody go and hack my website and say he's a pen tester, yada yada. It's all good. He gave me all these screenshots of things that he said that were vulnerabilities, and I'm sure there's more as well. So what I need you to do is I need you to look at these screenshots, figure out what those vulnerabilities are, explain them all to me, rank them from sketches to least sketch, and then we'll start fixing them one by one. Some of these are like don't even matter, but I'm sure there's things deeper than this. And I think that is the point here. He came to me showing me some samples of things that are fucked up on the website. You are the website, by the way. And his pitch was like, okay, I'll send me some money and I'll tell you all the rest. But I'm a data dog and you're fucking sick as fuck. So you can go find the rest. That's what I'm saying. So these are just like the tip of the iceberg. I want you to go ahead and do a full pen test on my site and figure out all the vulnerabilities, including the ones above, and then rank them by criticalness. And then let's just go ahead and start attacking them. Okay, dude. So don't hack me in this meantime. If you're here live, please, please, please don't hack me. Please, dude. I've been hacked before and it's not fun. It's not fun. At least he reported it. Yeah. He reported. He was trying to shake me down, but he was nice. He was nice about it. He was nice about it. He's like, yeah, my bad. I guess I am a hacker, but I'm not gonna do anything about it. I just need some clients, and you know, so it's not like he threatened me after. I've definitely had that before too. It's like, yo, you have a vulnerability on your website. I'm not telling you unless you pay me, and if you don't, I'm gonna motherfucking expose it. Remember that one dude that was admitting he was hacking on the stream, and he like caught himself a case on stream. That was funny as fuck. That was probably like 6 months ago. He was like in the chat telling about all the hacking he used to do in the past. I'm like, bro, get this shit off my chat, dude. Get this shit off my chat. You're just incriminating yourself. Crazy stuff. Crazy kids, huh? Those crazy kids. You're root kernel. Kelly, you got a good memory, bro. See why you're good at this game. You got a good memory. Root kernel. What a guy. He's a good kid. That's Dev No Life. His name is Dev No Life, root kernel. He's been here for years, but I think I eventually had to block him because of low key threats or whatever he was saying. I didn't want him to get. He was like he was snitching on himself. He was snitching on himself on my videos. I might have blocked him. Poor kid. He seemed like a good guy. Just young, doesn't understand. He was openly admitting to illegal hacking. Exactly. That's exactly what happened. And it's like, bro, this is being recorded, dude. Chill, gang. Don't say that. Don't say that, please. Matter of fact, yesterday, I'm not gonna tell you where I am, but I seen a police officer. Okay, no. First off, yesterday I seen this guy rob some dude with an axe. He had an axe in his hand and he robbed him. Of course, I'm not doing shit about that. I'm not doing shit. This motherfucker got an axe. I'm not gonna be a fucking hero. He got an axe and he's like swinging it at the dude. He's like, "Give me your bag. Give me your bag." And he's like holding. He's not swinging it, but he's holding it up like, "Give me your bag, or else I'm gonna fucking hit you with this axe." He was a tweaker. Anyways, he grabbed the bag and ran off. And then the guy that got robbed is like asking this almost security guy. He had like an orange vest on, and he's like, "Yo, he just stole my bag," and he's ran with his bag, 2 bags, and an axe. And it's like, what am I supposed to do here? I'm not calling the police. First off, I'm not trying to get on motherfucking record of nothing. Not fuck the pigs, but this motherfucker's got an axe. And then we kind of just kept walking on our way, like, it's just kind of normal, but it's not normal. And then like 2 minutes later, 18 cop cars came flying down the road, whipped up into this little plaza where the guy was, and pulled out AK-47s or some shit, rifles. I got a video of it. And they were just like pointing him down because he had an axe. It's like, we probably shouldn't have been that nonchalant about it. It's just like, kind of, you see it. Once in a while. America, exactly. America. It's just an American thing. We were like, we were thinking like, yeah, okay, he's got an axe. He's got an axe, but he's a tweaker. We see tweakers all the time. So it's just like probably no big deal. We don't need to call the police. And then 2 minutes later, the police just come flying down, AK-47s, all guns out, ablazing. They didn't shoot. Nobody shot anything. The guy got, obviously bitched out once you had a bunch of guns looking at him. But he was saying nigga this, nigga that. And he was not black. So I'm not helping that motherfucker. Sorry. He's like, "Give me your bag, nigger." I'm like, God damn, you racist with an axe? I'm staying the fuck away from you, buddy. And then we just kept walking. And then we had to go back when we saw the police come. And then the fucking AKs were like, "Oh shit, this was serious. Homeboy was tweaking with that axe." Okay, let's see what Shorty said. Mad time? Yeah. This is America, baby. This is America. This type of shit we thought was normal. We thought it was normal until the police came with the motherfucking AKs. I'm over here trying to take a video of it and shit. Standing in the line of fire. Shorty was like, "You better get up out of the line of fire." Like, oh yeah, you're probably right. You're probably right. Okay, while the last on-chain confirmation finishes, here's the verdict. Case is already closed by the numbers. You didn't get robbed, Moondev. The Kimi bot bled you out 1 50-cent bag at a time. Damn, Kimi. It's not missing. Your own bot sold it at 7:58 this morning on a 61% stop loss. Okay. Sell a hood, stop loss, negative 61%, 19 cents back. Okay. The exact TX in your transaction, bought 50 cents, sold for 19. That's why it's not in your wallet. I don't see that TX though. Shit slows balls, bro. The withdrawals in your screenshot are harmless. That repeating approve is the bot's own sell cycle. Prove token to router, swap token, WETH, unwrap WETH to ETH, withdrawal equals WETH, unwrap to yourself. Where the 55 actually went, math closest to the dollar. Kimi bot swap losses, 466 buys at 50 cents. 16 dubs and 426 losses. That's negative $31. The gas here is $20. Goddamn. On 1,300 TXs? Damn, son. So we're just throwing hella cash at gas. That's like almost half. 60%? 40%? 60%. RFH Fable bot losses July 20th morning before it stopped. 351. So, okay, here's your Kimi versus Fable 5 again. Kimi got absolutely smoked. Fable 5 did not. Okay, so wallet now holds nothing, $20. Why the Kimi bot is a money furnace? Overnight, it went 11 wins, 208 losses. Nearly every exit is a dead pool or LP draining, rug in progress. It buys fresh launches that rug or die within minutes. It eats a -5 to -60% and pays 3 to 4 transactions of gas per round trip. Why? Why 3 to 4? Gas alone is 4 cents per cycle. It loses even when the token doesn't. It's also missing the Fable wall, the LP custody gate, plus one or F193 factory fingerprint that check the made 27 out of 27. That's in the Robinhood Sniper Fable, which isn't running. So my strong recommendation is kill the sniper, Kimi Sniper now. It has 4 open bags. Want me to write this kill switch? Okay, so the Fable one was kind of not cooking, but doing better than this shit. So let's switch back. Only got 20 bucks left though. Only got 20 bucks left in this machine, this money losing machine. So let's go ahead and get it back to Fable's bitch ass. Robinhood Sniper. So how do I do this? Let me go ahead and say, where is it? Send Moon Up Trading Boss. Okay. Opening cursor. Okay. Backtest. No. Bots. Yes. Robinhood. Yes. Kimi. Trash. Robinhood Sniper. Trash, but less trash. Python. Okay, let's also go here, and I'm gonna stick with this Robinhood Fable one. It should be there. Perfect. Beautiful. Now you can see we're at a 25 crypto fear and greed here. He said you from Cali. I'm not from Cali. No, I'm not. I'm from the West though. I'm from the West, not Cali though. Twingaling. What does twingaling mean, bro? Ni hao is what? Japanese, I think. So what the fuck does twingaling mean? I've got a bot that's 60%. Nice, dude. Is ponytail worth it? I haven't used it yet. Does anybody else use ponytail? Got to get this AI battle done. Got to get it going. Got to get it going. Problem is I got to jump on the VVS. I didn't set all the things up like I said I was gonna last night, but I got tired, bro. Oh, I do want to look into this. Okay, so yeah, I just lost a bunch of tokens. It just bought bad tokens essentially. Didn't have the gates. Kimi didn't have the gates on it that Fable had. So just lost. Just lost. L's a L. What's up, Nathan? How are you, bro? Nathaniel. L. I'll go train roadmap. I got you right above. Obviously not now because I should imagine you'll be using a really small size at the moment. Are you going to be using MEV and front running protection? How do you do that? If I'm not mistaken, ni hao is hello, and then you have ni hao mua, and that is hello, how are you in Chinese? Oh, it's Chinese. Yeah, sorry, my bad, China, my bad. It's not Japanese, it's Chinese. You can do it yourself with Helios and Alchemy. Okay, be interesting to look into. So my friend just went ahead and told me about this MEV and front running protection using Alchemy. How would you go about that? Slash, what does it do? So let's see. Rate limiter crashed again. Rerunning bulletproof. Retries with back off. We have to use Alchemy and Helios. I didn't know that Helios had EVM shits on it. Is that for real? Okay, the spy here today is up in a way. Alchemy isn't capable of doing it on its own. It's 2 commands. I can't remember. So Helios allows for EVMs now. Interesting. Helios EVM. What do you mean? How you do that? What you on over there? What you really on over there, Bliss? What you got going over there, Bliss? What you talking about? I already sent that, Nathan. Sent it right above. You already got that, bro. You want me to send it again? I just sent that, gangy. I'll send it again. Let me go ahead and send it again. So I'll walk you through it as well. So you're waiting for those things, and those things are right in the chat right below you. So you can see them here. So first things first is the documentation that goes with the API key. Second thing is the app. Third thing is the Discord. And fourth thing is that roadmap that you were asking about, moondab.com/roadmap. That API key unlocks it. Have fun, Brody. I hope you build something sick. Sicker than I can ever imagine. Sicker than I could ever imagine. All right, let's sweep check is running clean. With retry protection, I don't need all that shit anymore. I want to go move on to this. Percolate. He says, please list yourself on WAP. Join here instead. Fuck WAP. Okay, let's see what Shorty said about this. Good question. And the answer saves you a rabbit hole. It's a real thing, but it can't help you on Robinhood Chain. So are you talking about Solana? You guys talking about Solana? Layman's terms, on Ethereum mainnet, every transaction you send sits in the public waiting room, the mempool, before it's mined. Bots watch that room. They can see your buy coming, buy before you, let your buy push the price up, then instantly sell. It's a sandwich attack. You get a worse fill. They pocket the difference. Alchemy's MEV slash front running protection is basically a private side door instead of the public waiting room. Your transaction goes straight to the block builders. So the bots never see it coming up. Setup is trivial. You just swap your RPC to their protected endpoint. Nothing else changes. Why it doesn't apply to your Sniper Robinhood chain is an Arbitrum style L2 with a centralized sequencer. There is no public mempool. So what are y'all talking about? And how does Helios come into play in this? Maybe you're talking about a different chain, maybe like Ethereum, because there is no public mempool on Robinhood chain. Your transaction already goes straight to the sequencer, invisible until it's included. There's no waiting room for bots to lurk in. So there's nothing for Alchemy to protect you from. That's actually already in your rug factory findings from the sniper work. The rug we dissected were atomic, no mempool. Bliss says perhaps I was doing it on my Solana bot, but I was really stoned. Let me find my bearings. I've got too many VPSs going on. See if I can find it. Well, that's fair. That's fair. Okay. Sweet. And the part that matters for your $5 or $55, last night's bleed had nothing to do with MEV anyways. The forensics show your bot bought fresh launches at 50 cents that rugged or died minutes later, ate the stop losses, and paid 1,300 transactions of gas. A private RPC wouldn't have saved $1 of that. This fix is the Fable wall. So, okay, we got the Fable wall going on. So tell your friend it's solid advice for mainnet trading. File it away for the Ethereum L1 bot you build. For the sniper on Robinhood chain, the killer is what you're buying, not who's watching you buy it. Meanwhile, the sweep check is just about to wrap up. Want me to also kill the Kimi bot? No. That's awesome. Been there, done that. Some people ask me what is the difference between the stream on YouTube or Twitter or Twitch and the private Zoom. Well, first off, you get to chat with me. I respond to chat inside of the private Zoom. We're chatting all day. So you get direct access there. Second off, this is an ad right now. You get no ads in the Zoom. You don't miss any of the juicy part. And the thing is I'm focused. I'm locked in. So sometimes I throw the ad on and I just let it go. So if this is your fourth, fifth time hearing this ad, yes, it's a replay. It's an ad. You want the real stuff? Throw 5. It's $5. You'll get to see exactly over a quant's shoulder. Changes every day, but you know I'm cooking. Been cooking for 5 years. It's time to close it down to the public. I did get hacked, so I can't show this to everybody. You want to come to the Zoom, click the link. It's moondev.com. 2 to 4 hours, no script. Come find out what happens. You'll get to see all the code. And yes, you get a replay. So just in case you can't make it or you're late or right now, maybe we're an hour in and you're like, hey, should I join? Yeah, you should join because you get the full replay and nobody else gets the replay. So it's a private Zoom. You get full chat. You get the Zoom right now. You get the full replay. You have a community of us all building trading bots. Ask questions to me, Moondive. Ask questions to them. Make some friends. Make some connections for life. It's amazing what we built together. But that's it. Go to moondive.com. Click the Get In button here. Put your name, your email in, and it's $5. So nothing crazy, but it will filter out the noise to ensure that, I stay productive. I wish I could talk to everybody, but you see the internet. A small percentage of people are trolls, and the trolls are the loudest. I'm chasing Jim Simons. He ran up a net worth of $31 billion doing exactly what I show every single day in the Zoom. There's no way that I can deal with distractions of the public and do that at the same time. So me getting hacked was actually a blessing in disguise. And everybody said that. They said burnt toast theory, burnt toast theory. Long story short, burnt toast theory is you burnt your toast and you missed a car accident. In this case, I got hacked and it made me realize that, hey, there are some malicious people out there. So when stuff gets dicey, when I'm showing too much code, when I might drop a key or something like that, I'm just going to put this ad on. And this ad We'll just run for 10 minutes, 20 minutes, an hour until I remember. So, yes, this is an ad and this is a replay. But if you want Zoom access, just go to moondev. That's my name. .com. Click get in, put down $5 and know that there's a 90-day money back guarantee. So even if you're late, don't worry, you'll have the full replay. Even if you're unsure, come check it out. You got a 90-day money back guarantee. No questions asked. You can even check out all of the testimonials of people who have joined my programs before. Scroll through them, read what they have to say. You can scroll this forever. It's a great risk reward here if you are a trader. $5 gets you behind closed doors. See what I'm actually building in the day. Ask me questions, connect with others, and yes, you get the full replay. I'll see you inside the Zoom. Right when you join the Zoom, what's going to happen is you put your name and email in, put the $5 down. That's all controlled by Stripe. And then on the next page, you're going to have a link to open up the Zoom. Very simple. It'll take 20 seconds. Go to moondev.com. Put your name, email in. You'll get the link to the Zoom. You can jump in right now. And don't worry if you're late. You get the full replay. So you can watch it at any time. You're not going to miss a thing. All the code that I show during the Zoom, I'm going to make sure to put the public on this ad, actually. I'm going to make sure that they're on ad. This is how I can hide some stuff. I do believe code is a great equalizer. But now that people are attacking, I got to play a little bit of defense. And it's nothing crazy. It's $5 plus a 90-day money back guarantee. So if it's not worth your $5, you can get your money back. It's instant access to the Zoom. If you're late, no worries. You get the full replay. You're going to see exactly what I'm building in the day, and you'll never have ads, nothing like that. So if you want to join, just go to moondev.com. There should be a link somewhere around here, but you know my name, moondev.com. And just go to get in right now, put your name, your email in, continue to payment. And yes, you do get a replay and a 90-day money back guarantee. I'll see you soon. Some people ask me, what is the difference between the stream on YouTube or Twitter or Twitch and the private Zoom? Well, first off, you get a chat with me. I respond to chat inside of the private Zoom. We're chatting all day. So you get direct access there. Second off, this is an ad right now. You get no ads in the Zoom. You don't miss any of the juicy part. And the thing is I'm focused. I'm locked in. So sometimes I throw the ad on and I just let it go. So if this is your fourth, fifth time hearing this ad, yes, it's a replay. It's an ad. You want the real stuff? Throw $5. It's $5. You'll get to see exactly over a quant's shoulder. Changes every day. But you know I'm cooking. I've been cooking for 5 years. It's time to close it down to the public. I did get hacked. So I can't show this to everybody. You want to come to the Zoom, click the link. It's moondev.com. 2 to 4 hours, no script. Come find out what happens. You'll get to see all the code. And yes, you get a replay. So just in case you can't make it or you're late or right now, maybe we're an hour in and you're like, hey, should I join? Yeah, you should join because you get the full replay and nobody else gets the replay. So it's a private Zoom. You get full chat. You get the Zoom right now. You get the full replay. You have a community of us all building trading bots. Ask questions to me, Moondev. Ask questions to them. Make some friends. Make some connections for life. It's amazing what we build together. But that's it. Go to moondev.com. click the get in button here, put your name, your email in, and it's $5. So nothing crazy, but it will filter out the noise to ensure that, I stay productive. I wish I could talk to everybody, but you see the internet. A small percentage of people are trolls, and the trolls are the loudest. I'm chasing Jim Simons. He ran up a net worth of $31 billion doing exactly what I show every single day in the Zoom. There's no way that I can deal with distractions of the public and do that at the same time. So, me getting hacked was actually a blessing in disguise. And everybody said that. They said burnt toast theory, burnt toast theory. Long story short, burnt toast theory is you burnt your toast and you missed a car accident. In this case, I got hacked, and it made me realize that, hey, there are some malicious people out there. So when stuff gets dicey, when I'm showing too much code, when I might drop a key or something like that, I'm just going to put this ad on. And this ad will just run for 10 minutes, 20 minutes, an hour until I remember. So, yes, this is an ad and this is a replay. But if you want Zoom access, just go to moondev. That's my name. .com. Click get in, put down $5, and know that there's a 90-day money back guarantee. So even if you're late, don't worry, you'll have the full replay. Even if you're unsure, come check it out. You got a 90-day money back guarantee. No questions asked. You can even check out all of the testimonials of people who have joined my programs. Let's get it. Let's get it. Let's get it. Let's get it. You gotta put my other headphones on. Take these brain cancer things out, put these other brain cancer things in. Okay, final verdict is zero theft. I'm just absolutely cooked. All 154 outbound token transactions from your wallet were checked against who actually signed them. Every single one was signed by your own wallet. No backdoor contract, no self-sweep, no malicious approval draining you. So the full case, no rug by contract. A hood sold by your own bot. The 55, Kimi just lost it. 20 on gas is crazy. The wallet is clean. Is it really 20 on gas? That's insane. How much per transaction was that? That's insane, bro. That's insane. That's insane. This is also insane here. Robinhood is now open to AI agents. You can open an agentic account and connect an AI agent to it. From there, you can let it research, trade, and manage your portfolio. So sketch. But that's what I'm doing down here. But I know it's sketch. I think the sketch part is to tell retail to do that. I'm going to do it down here, but I'm going to do it with my money. I just don't know. We'll see. I'm so confused. What can an AI agent do that I couldn't do before the API? I want 1,000% return over the next 7 days. Make no mistakes. I mean, I'm never gonna let them down. Turn off the buy button to GME. Delist Solana at $11. Rug Cash Cat. Is that what it's called? Cash Cat? Allow for retail to allow for agents. Yo, Twitter's so dumb, dude. Why did I just spend 2 seconds writing that? It's just so stupid. Just such a stupid use of time. Never doing that again. Okay, so let's see if there's any other breaking news here. That was such a waste of time. I can't believe people tweet. Get me out of here. What a weirdo. Hey, is the soccer thing over? Is the World Cup over? Yes. The 2026 FIFA World Cup concluded on Sunday, July 19th. 2 days ago, Spain defeated Argentina 1-0. A fucking thrilling game. Thrilling 1-0. After extra time in the final at MetLife. Interesting. Okay. What a fun game to watch. I don't know though. Like it still could be fun. I just don't know soccer too well. Athletes. Soccer players are fucking athletes, I'll tell you that much. Got big respect. Got big respect for football, soccer, football. Motherfucking athletes get down wherever, play on the street, whatever. Doesn't matter. I do love that. The Economist cover wasn't lying. Soccer Economist cover. This the one? Why are a handful of countries so good at football? No, bro. Images, maybe? A World Cup paradox? The fragmentation of fun? Link me, gangy. Link me. Let's close some of these. God, this is such a sketch link. Okay. I don't get it though. I don't get it yet. Red, white, and blue? 250? Something about America? America? We got needles. We got tanks. Is that Trump? Oh, the soccer guy. Okay. Damn, dude. Yeah, soccer unites the whole world. It's pretty cool. America's over here with all this bullshit. We're cooked, dude. We're cooked. We couldn't even enjoy the motherfucking World Cup out here, dude. Yeah. I mean, if it was hoops, we'd be watching it. If it was football americano, we'd be watching it. But okay. I just seen this, so I was very interested here. FIFA earned $9 billion from the 2026 World Cup, making it the most lucrative sporting event in history. They made over $9 billion.
This is not an oil pen, man. This is a big scandal. If that were a Republican, it would really be a big.
All right, so did this pass or what's the update here? Because this is important to keep an eye on. Can you look into the Clarity Act? And this is the tweet about it, just some random person saying it. But did it pass? I don't think it passed. And how would that lead to a lot of money coming into crypto? Obviously, maybe because it's just the regulations are there and banks can hold it, people can use it, buy it more legally, but it's already pretty legal. I don't know. Just go a little deeper here. Thank you. Okay, so this was weird as well. So one complete round trip, buy, approve, sell, unwrap, 4 transactions. Average cost for the buy, this is nothing. Penny at TX is great. It's the ratio. Pull the real fees on chain, refining my estimate down a bit. It's about 1 cent per transaction. It's not bad at all. Out of Robinhood chain. Let's see what Shorty says. The government is awful in Brazil. I'm planning to leave on the bull during the bull run. Okay. Damn, I'm sorry that your government sucks, dude. I didn't say that though. I didn't say that. Those aren't my words, just for the record. I ain't got nothing wrong with them. But fuck, dude, I'm sorry that it's bad down there. Where are you trying to go to? Okay, so it looks like they approved some sort of package here with the Clarity Act. You're going to Italy, okay. Damn, you got citizenship out there? Damn, cool. Somebody else here is from Italy. Maybe Art? Art's from Italy. Maybe not. Maybe I'm tripping, but I feel like somebody else is from Italy. Milan, baby. Milan, baby. There we go. Okay, your instinct is right, Moondev. It has not passed. Here's the real picture, and it's actually at peak drama this exact week. The status passed the House in 2025. Been stuck in the Senate since. Placed on the Senate calendar June 1st. Missed the July 4th target, and it's now expected to hit the Senate floor as soon as this week. week of July 20th, with a hard wall at August 7th when Congress leaves for recess. It needs 60 votes, meaning 7 Democrats must cross over. Only 2 are publicly on board. 3 fights are holding it. Democrats demanding ethics language over Trump's $1.4 billion in 2025 crypto income. Prosecutors objecting to developer protection section 604, and banks fighting stablecoin yield loopholes. So the tweet is hype front running a bill that could still die. Now, the deeper part, why clarity equals money when crypto is already pretty legal? It's pretty legal. Nobody knows which agency owns which token. Right now, the SEC can wake up one day and declare a token you hold, list, custody is an unregistered security. That's what Ripple, Coinbase, and Kraken lawsuits were. Clarity draws the line in statute. Most tokens on sufficiently decentralized network equals commodities under the CFTC. The rest equals SEC. A pension fund CIO can't allocate an asset that might retroactively become contraband. A defined lane removes career risk, and career risk is the actual game. Compliance departments run the money, not traders. BlackRock, Fidelity, state pensions, RIAs managing 130 trillion in US wealth. Their lawyers currently say no, not because crypto is banned, but because there's no rule book to comply with. You can't be compliant when the rules are undefined. A statute gives them a checklist, and checklists unlock allocations. Banks get to touch it without a charter fight. Custody frameworks mean JP Morgan / BNY can hold coins for clients as a boring, regulated service. Prime brokers can finance positions, and lending desks can take it as collateral. Collateral status is quietly huge. It turns BTC from a thing you hold into a thing you can borrow against, which multiplies effective demand. It can't be unpassed. Executive order friendliness, what we now have, reverses with the next administration. Statute does not. Institutions allocate on 10-year horizons. They'll pay up for permanence. The honest counterweight. A lot of this is priced. ETFs already exist. Institutions already hold 1.2 billion or 1.2 million BTC. That's in our seller's ledger. And note, those ETF holders are also the discretionary sell wild card. The trillions incoming tweets treat clarity as new fuel when part of it's already in the tank. My read, passage equals a real structural bid that arrives over quarters, not a next day moonshot. While a failure before August 7th recess is an underpriced downside headline, because CT has tanked itself into passage. For the bots, this makes the next 3 weeks a binary headline regime. Closure. Vote timing is tape bomb to watch. Our liquidation fade fleet actually likes this kind of day. She likes it. She likes it. Timmy, he likes it. He likes it. What is this? Okay, you saw that Brian Armstrong, CEO of Coinbase, he changed his profile picture to some token essentially, and then this is the fallback. Regarding the recent buzz around my profile picture changes and some feelings that the base community isn't being supported enough, I appreciated the feedback, even though it's tough to hear. And I realized you wouldn't take the time to respond unless you cared. It seemed I wasn't clear enough setting expectations for all of you. So let me try that now. Please don't follow my personal X account for investment advice or signals around individual coins. I'm simply posting things I find interesting or funny on the internet. I may not be aware if there is a coin or a project attached to the content I'm posting. You should assume I'm not to be safe. My posts and profile pics are also not endorsements or commitments to anything. Bases are shot at building foundational infrastructure for financial services where we can all innovate together. That includes tokenized stocks, borrow lend protocols, stablecoin payments, etc. And yes, even meme coin trading. I believe in economic freedom and support you trading whatever you want. Just realize that if you're treating my X account as alpha, you are doing so at your own risk against my wishes. I would never recommend this. On the topic of support from the base team or Coinbase, there seems to be confusion around this as well. There are many tokens we would like to list on our centralized exchange, but can't for compliance and regulatory reasons. If you want Jesse or me to pump your bags or shill certain coins, we're also not going to do that. Here's what we are committed to on support. We run in-person base batches and issue grants to high potential builders. Coinbase Ventures and Base Ecosystem Fund also invest in the most promising companies building on Base. And we periodically integrate promising Base DeFi protocols into our products at Coinbase, which enhances distribution. I might even mention something on X if it's interesting, but again, it's not investment advice. In general, we bias towards supporting projects we believe in will create long-term customer value. You may like this approach or you may not, but either way, hopefully it creates clarity going forward so you can decide what you want to do. I respect your choice. Either way. P.S. I still might post memes if I think they're funny. It's not investment advice. God damn it. All right, cool. Cool. I think that's a good time to say this is not investment advice either, dude. Please read this. Please. Thank you. Okay, let's keep going here. I got a few more things I want to look through, see if I missed anything. A lot of bearishness on the timeline. I know these are just random people, but I mean that guy wasn't random. He was the CEO of Coinbase. A lot of things like this about the S&P. You know what that means? Actually, you don't. Neither do I. So neither of us know what that means. 1999 euphoria is the enemy. The dot-com bubble crashed 80%. 2026, we've never had people in more gambling mood than now. The AI bubble will crash even harder. Buffett's still sitting on 400 billion in cash, and he followed the same strategy at every market top. Every time, but Buffett's he's not a good investor anymore. Sorry. What have Buffett's returns been since they changed that one rule? What have Warren Buffett's returns been since they changed that one kind of sketch rule? I can't remember what the rule was, but what have his returns been? It was like something about damn near insider trading. Wait. Let me give her that. I might be tripping, but it was like damn near insider trading. Like you can't talk to them, or I can't remember the rule, but you know the rule, what I'm talking about. And people have pretty much looked at his returns pre that rule versus post that rule. And yeah, they're not that good, but maybe it's cap. So just go ahead and look at it. Thank you. There's just so much stuff, dude, that is not true. So every time Buffett aggressively sold all his assets and raised cash, a major market decline followed. Now he's holding more cash than he ever has. Connect the dots. Reminder, I publicly called the 2022 stock crash, yada, yada. Okay, cool. Just a lot of that. I'm seeing a lot of that. What are we seeing in the actual market, though? What's the market look like to us? What are your thoughts on the market? Up or down? Up or down? I guess I'm talking about the regular stock market, as that's what they're talking about. You can see up. It's on the 15-minute, but on the daily. Okay. You're not tripping. You remembered it right, and the numbers back you up. The rules, the regulation FD, the fair disclosure, October 2000, and yes, it was exactly the damn near insider trading thing. Before, executives could legally give non-material color, even undisclosed quarterly numbers to favored investors in private calls. That was standard practice. And the great investors of that era ran on this information. Reg FD made it illegal. Whatever you tell one investor, you must tell everyone at the same damn time. Okay, so that's what I was talking about. That's what I was talking about. The numbers 1965 to 2002, he was growing at 22 to 24% per year, beating the S&P. S&P was like 10 to 11%. Massive 38 straight years. But then from 2003, which is a long fucking time ago, Warren Buffett he should have just sat in the fucking S&P. That's the thing, dude. That's the thing. You still cooking though is a question. You still cooking? Because he hasn't been cooking for 20 years. But he's still the best investor ever? Or did a rule change? Did he have inside information? I don't know, dude. That's what she just said. That's what she said. I mean, I kind of pushed her that way, but she kind of said it still. The statistical work is blunt. Buffett generated significant positive alpha for 38 years, all the way through 2002. And if you start the clock in 2003, there's no meaningful difference in compound returns between Berkshire and an index fund. The famous 5 million% since 1965 headline is real, but it's almost entirely powered by the pre-FD. We remember the FD is that rule. Double the market until 2000. Matchmaking, matching proceeded after. So about the same returns. Basically zero alpha. Now, is it cope? Yes, partially. Here's the honest breakdown of the confounds. Size is the biggest one, and Buffett admits it himself. He said he could do 50% a year on 1 million. By 2003, Berkshire was at multi-hundred billion. That's a very good point, dude. I'm talking shit over here, but like, he's got billions of dollars. Shut the fuck up. Shut the fuck up, Buddha. Oh my God, cook, dude. You're not gonna get the same return on 300 billion as you're gonna get on a million. Okay, cash drag. Berkshire has sat out 100 to 300 billion in T-bills for years. Woo! Having a nice 100 billion in T-bills. That would be nice, which mechanically pulls returns toward or below the market in bull runs. His style went out of season. Value underperformed growth for most of 2009 to 2021. Nothing to do with FD. Timing coincidence. Reg FD 2000 lands at nearly the same moment Berkshire got huge and tech began dominating the index. 3 explanations, 1 timestamp. You can't cleanly separate them. My read. The edge was never one thing. Pre-2000 Buffett had A, legal private information flow, B, small enough size to exploit it, and C, cheap leverage via insurance flow. Buffett's alpha paper showed 1.6x leverage on safe quality stocks, explains a lot of it. Reg FD deleted A, size deleted, and everyone copied C. The rule change is real and mattered, but calling it the cause oversells it. The uncomfortable takeaway for everyone is the same either way. The best track record in history stopped producing alpha the moment his structural edge expired. Edges decay, which is, the whole reason we run robustness batteries. Yo, Mo Salsa, dude. What up, dude? What up, bro? Good to see you. Good to see you. Mo's in the house. Mo Salsa, please. Here's your cheese, bro. I just put the key in the chat. We got the SPY here. Everybody says it's going down. It's just going up. That's usually how it goes. That's how it goes, bros. Yo, OpenSea. Are NFTs starting to bubble? Activity here. Nothing. Let's go to collections. Gremlin Cartel. Last 7 days, you can see these are going up. 1 day change, 655%. Jesus, dude. 72%. On-chain hoodies. Robinhood punks. Wait, are these Robinhood tokens? 4 minutes ago, 5 minutes ago, 5 minutes ago, 16 minutes ago. Excuse me. $11, dude. They're flying. It's just flying, dude. This shit is flying. Shit is freaking flying, bro. Well, this is 5 minutes ago. Don't get too excited now. It's not flying. This isn't flying. 5 minutes ago. What the hell did I just come across? Is it going from meme coins on Robinhood to NFTs? It's only up 17%, but on-chain hoodies. I want to look through all these because, okay, 17 seconds ago, 2 minutes ago, 2 minutes ago. These are lame as fuck, though. Just look at this, though. 721. So this is today. God, we're always on the fucking curve, dude. Can't tell me you're not. We're not, dude. Can't tell me we're not. Can't tell we're not. Items. I might have to go buy some fucking Robinhood chain NFTs today. Just for the culture, bro. Don't do this at home. Don't do this at home. But I just, I'm just following the volume, dude. Look, read that. You read it? Okay. Gremlin Cartel. Shit is crazy. 27's now. This is just happening right now. This is happening today. 1 minute ago, 2 minutes ago, 2 minutes ago, 3 minutes ago. You don't see that. Let's go look at punks. Let's go look at regular punks. Well, I guess that's not a very fair match because they're the most expensive. But all these NFTs here are on Robinhood, it looks like. Three minutes ago. People are buying these bitches. Robinho Quants. Cash Cats. Are these all? How do you tell if they're on Robinhood or not? Is my question. Because I would do a similar test. Okay, here. "21 seconds ago, 1 minute ago, 2 minutes ago, 2 minutes ago, 4 minutes ago." Items. All right. Well, this is kind of crazy. I just stumbled upon this. But it's just like the memes, Maybe this just goes for 2 days. But this shit is flying. Got a soul liquidation here for 112 racks. Look at 7 days here. I might buy a fucking NFT, dude. I might buy an NFT. This is not financial advice. None of this is endorsement of any of this bullshit. Shit's all going to zero. What's the volume looking like on these? Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Total volume on punks. I feel like that's not a fair. Let's look at Ethereum here. Okay, I want to look at the top volume for 7 days here. Okay, so total volume doesn't show me there. 7-day volume is 339K. Let's look at 1 day volume though. 285 racks? Okay. The fuck is this? Activity here? Oh, these are reveals. Okay. That doesn't count. Volume 385. 405K for Punks here. Just Tunes is new. 133K for okay, this is a good one. So I want to compare this here to the same thing but on Robinhood. Mm, just Robinhood chain, please. Thank you. Done. Floor price, 1 day volume, 291K. Damn, stonk prices is brokers is really expensive. 2,000. Okay, let's do the direct comparison here. So the volume here on Punks, Punks almost doesn't count. The volume is 405K. Here, the top one is 291K. But the sales, 2,100 versus 5. Okay, but that doesn't really count. Punks are super expensive. On-chain hoodies here, hoodilos, 1,400. On-chain hoodies here, Nairo, 6,000. The volume though drops off to 77K. So the second highest volume that's not a new launch is 133K. What's the rhetoric looking like here on Twitter about this? Because this is actually really interesting. Stonk brokers. All the volume here. Well, there's no volume on these. On-chain hoodies. Activity here. Analytics. This is up 2x today in 24 hours. This is Nairo stuff. Fifteen seconds ago. I'm going to keep this page open over here on my screen. Thank you very much. Okay, so it doesn't look like the NFTs over here are back, but it looks like this is a new entrant and something moving up and to the right. So it just is what it is. Again, this can be gone tomorrow, just like the meme coins kind of fell off. They're not gone though. Definitely not gone. 36 seconds ago, 1 minute ago. $14, 23K volume. This is on Ethereum. Don't care about it. Okay, so what is this pi thing? I don't know. The fuck is this? The thing is with NFTs, you got to be a motherfucking tastemaker, bro. You have to be able to pick the right like design or whatever. And I don't know. I'm not like I'm a boom. I'm not a boomer, but you know, I can't see it from like a 22-year-old's eyes. So I just got to follow the volume, really. Gremlin Cartel, Robin Hood Punks. I mean, the thing is, the problem here is it's just a copy, you know. So it's not like looking for something like new. I feel like this is new. I just don't know what the fuck it is. Pio. Up 600%. Can't buy anything like that. Sorry. Hard rule there. Uh, some chibi shit. Gremlin Cartel. So these two are like the exact same. This and the Hudilos. Hudilos right here. Like the same, right? Both after Remelios or whatever the fuck their names are. It's fucking retarded ass people, dude. I hate every one of those motherfucking Remelios. Literally never had a good interaction with any of those motherfuckers on Twitter. Never, dude. It's like their brand is to be assholes. The asshole brand. They're like proud of it. Imagine that. Imagine that. All right, Cash Cats here. Still, it's like it's moving. Let's see analytics here. 720. So the last couple days. I just don't get this, but that's probably like the point. Damn, this is all today. Crazy. The Florentines? What the hell is this? 20. So this is all today. So all of this is happening today. Damn, we're on it, bro. We're on it. Robinhood Saudi punks. Jesus. How did I even get this one open? 23 cents is crazy though. Total volume's 200. How did I even come across this though? Because if I opened it, regenerates is on base. Curious how I got to those Saudis. Oh, is it 7 day? Nah, nah, nah. Activity here 33 seconds ago. This is the one that's going crazy, but a 6x overnight is crazy as well. No, it's not going that crazy anymore. I want to see it. I want to watch these throughout the day. Matter of fact, let's see. Ethereum, don't want to see anything on Ethereum. 10 minutes ago, 10 minutes ago. 23 cents is crazy though. So like I might have to swoop me some. None of this is financial advice. I'm not a financial advisor. I just show you guys everything, bro. So don't hold me to anything. Anything I buy, I will sell. Anything I buy, I'm going to sell. What the hell? That makes sense to me. Oh, damn. What's the network fee on Robinhood right now? Robinhood network fee chain. So MetaMask is tweaking right now, and it's showing this for Robinhood chain. The specific part of this is the Robinhood chain part. I need you to give me the variables to put into each one of these. on a normal day. It's just saying it can't calculate it. So it's like, I need to override it. I just need to make sure not to fuck it up. The mask estimator is definitely tweaking the gas limit of whatever is a lot. So let's try that. Let's say edit here. Two, 0, 1. And then this should be 1 million. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Save. Why is it still so high? Hmm. Maybe this is a scam. Oops. I'm also getting this warning here, so maybe it's just a scam of a NFT. I don't know. Could be it. Let's go to a different one. Bum 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 bum. Oh, so that one's fine. But what happens when you go like this? It's also fine. Bum 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 bum. Bum 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 bum. 23 cents is crazy. Why is it at the top of the list? Only 131 in volume. That's why. 7 days. Somebody bought here today, yesterday. $52 worth of volume. She's going to zero. But this here, say analytics, 361,000 volume. There is volume over here. He says my alias seems familiar, to be honest. What you mean? Moondeath? Nice, dude. Maybe you know me in real life. Wonder what the cost is to submit these. To be honest, I've never bothered too much with NFTs. Let's go back here. Is this NFT thing new on Robinhood, Moon? I've just come back with some coffee. Yeah, I mean, I just came across it. I just came across it. I saw a tweet, and so I looked into it, and the volume is there, definitely up. But I don't know if it'll last. You know, see if it lasts. You know how that goes. Oh, look at this. It's down. It's down. So this is going up and then straight back down. So this is volatile trading here. Holy helly, just in the time we've watched it. Activity here. Yeah, this shit's flying, bro. It's going down though. It's going down. It's just like a lot of trades for an NFT market. Are you kidding me? Is you kidding me? I think I'm just gonna watch this for now. Well, if they're selling for 1 to 200, you probably get a 10x in return of what you are submitting. So selling one can pay for 10 submissions. When did he start the live stream? Probably like an hour late. Probably about 11 a.m. Eastern. I'll send you the full replay though. If you aren't here, haven't been here. So 173, 150. This is moving. People are trading these. I just don't know what the I should look on Twitter to see what people are saying about it. Because you know they're fucking smart. Good news and flap, gang. The warning itself is not a scam detector, it's blockade. Security scanner saying it arrowed out and couldn't scan at all. Almost certainly because it doesn't support Robinhood chain. You'll likely see the same behavior on every transaction on this chain. But you said the word that matters, NFT. If this transaction request exists because some NFT you never bought showed up in your wallet, then cancel it right now. No. Yeah, this was a transaction I initiated on OpenSea, and it seems to work with other NFTs, just not this one that I selected. So maybe, I don't know. You tell me. You tell me what the fuck is going on, gang. Let me go ahead and refresh the page. How about that? Okay, here it goes. All right, I'm locked. I'm locked on Robinhood Chain NFTs. I am active. Anything I buy, I'm gonna sell at some point. Just made my first Robinhood Chain buy of NFTs. Wow, what a world, huh? 1 second, we're doing this. Next second, putting my dick in the water in the NFT world. You know I love NFTs. So I had to. I had to see what the process was like. That's the only way you learn. So somebody's got to do it. And that somebody is going to be me. I want to look at this because I think this is it's a duplicate, right? So not these. None of this is endorsement of anything, by the way. What is it called? Like hood or no base punks? Because I don't think that works. Based punks, $67. Activity here. Let's see what it did on base here. Total volume. Let's go say all time. When it launched, it got up to $3,000. Wow. Okay, well, it's enough of a reason. That's all. That's the only reason I need to see. It got up to 3 Gs. I mean, I'm not saying I'm not saying that's gonna happen at all. It's probably gonna go to zero, but that's all I needed to see, fam. Thank you. Question: how much was that? Oh, perfect. It shows exactly how much it was. Weird it doesn't show the other one though. I'm turning this off. No, she can keep going. That's fine. No, I'm turning her off. I'm turning her off. 237. Gotta track these by hand actually. 237. Okay, so I might be tripping right now, but I just saw what I saw and I can't unsee it. So base punks went to $3,800. So Robin is bigger than base. That's all I saw. So I'm tempted to keep going, but I just feel like it might be I don't know. The risk reward is too high for me. Moving average 1,800, 1,800. Now it's at $67. How long was it above $11? Is my question, because that's how much they cost. And are these simply just no? They're not the same. They're not just like straight stolen ones. So yeah, there's definitely risk to that. Okay, well I'm gonna keep going, keep looking. I'm gonna keep shopping for some NFTs here, and yeah, not financial advice, not financial advisor. This is all going to zero. Cash cats. Look at this. It's back at 213. It dropped down to 180. Holy moly. We've got some action in a new market that nobody is touching. This just swung. We watched it swing from 250 to 180, 175, 167, back to 236. So that's within like no time. Jesus, bro. It's up 600% in one day as well. Not to mention. People are buying these. MSAT for you? Who the hell is that? I'm just gonna cop some just for the culture because they're 25 cents. Just for the culture because they're 25 cents. And I've never seen an NFT that low. I know these are stupid derivative of a derivative of a derivative. This is going to absolute zero. But in the meantime, I'll get a couple. 25 cents. Oh shit, what was that? Sweep that bitch. No way. That's the cost for all those? Jesus, dude. I gotta buy more. This is so silly, bro. Whatever's going on right now is so silly. I'm probably about to get wrecked. Interaction failed. Interaction failed. Okay, let's go ahead and dwindle this down a little bit because I think I'm trying to buy too many. I've never bought an NFT for so little money before in my entire life. 26 cents, dude? Get the fuck out of here. Am I about to get drained? 26 cents NFT. I'll buy anything for 26 cents, gang. I'll buy anything for 26 cents. But this is a stupid this is an awful buy. Even at 26 cents. Oh my god, dude. This is funny as fuck. I might be just hallucinating right now, so please don't mind me. Don't mind me. Don't mind me. All right, I'm good. I'm done. I'm done with those. Those are going to zero. I just spazzed out real quick on them. That's all good. I just spazzed out on those, but I'm done. I'm done. I'm done. I'm done. I just got to track how much it costs. So when I sell them, I know what my gain is. That's actually funny as fuck. $35. But they're meaningless, you know? They're just some derivative of a derivative of a derivative. course, they're only $35. Okay, these are still booming. Okay, look, we're down to 192 now. Okay, I haven't done anything with this because it's up just too much. I think I'll look back tomorrow on those. $721. Holy helly, bro. I just tweaked out on them, dude. I just tweaked out. Let's see, dude. Let's see. Why did he start 1 hour late? Every paid unprofessional 100 people paid 13 are here. Oh, dude, I'm not your fucking slave. You can have your money back. You're still here. Why did he start 1 hour late? Nobody gives a fuck about what you're saying, bro. Get the fuck out of here, gang. Get your money back. I'm here 6 hours a day. I'm gonna come around the time I said I'm gonna come. Sometimes I miss it because I got real life. Get up out of here, bro. Get a refund. I do apologize to those people that I am late on, but fuck, dude, I'm here forever. So much love to you. I just see stop moaning. It's so funny. I want to read this. This is some good tea. Some good tea here. Why did he start 1 hour late? This boy won't even say what his name is. A, what's up? A, won't even put your name on it. Say what's your chest look. Come on the chat. Let's talk, bro. Oh my god, I want to read this. This is good. This is good. Why did he start 1 hour late when every paid money so unprofessional? 100 people paid and 13 are here. I don't think 100 people paid, but nor do I know how you would know how many people paid. But yeah, I'm gonna be late sometimes. I'm sorry, dude. I'm sorry to everybody that's like kind about it, and you too. Because you're right, it is unprofessional, and that's my problem. I gotta fix that. I gotta fix that. I just don't know how, to be real. I don't know how. Nah, I'm just not gonna be professional, bro. You can have your money back. I'm gonna be professional with the money back guarantee. I'm gonna be professional that way. And I know that's unprofessional, but fuck, I earned this, dude. I'm sorry that I was late though. I'm sorry. But put your real name on there, boy. Don't be scared. Bliss says for $5, I reckon he can start and end the stream whenever he wants, don't you? Hey, I'm just here for the vibes, Zombie says, while I code my own agents. It doesn't matter the amount. You set a time and ask people to pay. The least you could do is start it at the post is delayed, not make people think that you got scammed. You did get scammed, bro. Still. Got your bitch ass. With all due respect though, you can't have your money back for sure. Or a ticket to tomorrow's, because I know I was pretty late today. But I might be late tomorrow too. I might be late tomorrow. Bliss said stop moaning. I like that. You've had more than $5 worth of information already, and in all the years of all the live streams that I've been to, there's only one time that Moon hasn't showed up when he said he was going to. So you're onto a good thing, bro. You're onto a good thing. Hey, bro, come on, talk to me, dude. I'm giving you love. Talk back to me. Respond. You're talking to the audience, but talk to me, baby boy. It's easy. Just say you'll start around that time, maybe an hour early, maybe an hour late. If you want to join, pay $5. If not, don't. That's a good idea. I should just put like time may change. I just love the saying of "stop moaning." That is good, dude. But hey, shoot it. Oh, he shoot me an email here. I'll get you your money back for today. Cause you right, bro. You right. I know you right. I was an hour late and I didn't say anything. Refund and ban. LOL. For real. I mean, he's right though. Like I was super late today. I just had some personal shit going on, and you know, I'm here every single day. So every once in a while I'm just gonna be late. I'll take some free Quant Elite. Let's get it. I want this boy to talk to me though, because like if you got something to say, then keep going. Let's have a conversation about it. I'm sorry. Accept my apology, please. And put your real name on there. Don't be scared. It's okay, bro. All right, let's keep our eye on these because these look like they're kind of flying. Okay, this is actually what I want to do. I want to go ahead and look into what the rhetoric is. Robinhood chain NFTs. Okay, I see nothing. NFTs are just so cooked is the thing. Okay, nobody's talking about it. Maybe these are bots trading it. Them. One minute ago. Udelios. There's some action on Gremlins as well. I just like to buy some things just to get my dick wet and then I watch it. Like this, dude. Pretty much this is what this does automatically though. So it's the Solana sniper or Solana copybot does. Come on, A. I know you're still here. Just shoot me your email. We can be friends again. We can start fresh. Adam, Arnie, whatever your name is, we can start fresh, dude. I don't want ops in the chat. That's what the Zoom's for. So let's just be friends. You know, I'm a human. I got shit going on in my life that is sometimes gonna hold me up a little bit. Just want to be friends with you, bro. Just shoot me your email so I can get your money back at the minimum. That'll be my gesture to you, and I'll give you a free ticket to tomorrow. How about that? I just want to make sure that we don't have like ops in the chat. I want to be on the same side, or else I'll just get all weird up in here and like think the whole chat is against me and like, nah, fuck you too, bro. But hey, I need you to state yourself, state your email, just shoot it to me in the DM and I'll get you your money back. Please. This is an op free zone. Let's just squash the beef right here, right now. Damn, dude. Okay, so what's up? What's up, L? How you doing? He says NFTs are cooked. NFTs are cooked. Homeboy says, bro, you were scamming with your API key access only lasting 1 day for the liquidation algo, etc. Your app. Damn, dude, that's a scam, dog. They on me today, boy. They on me. Moondav.com. Okay, so homeboy said I'm a scam for only making it 24 hours for the API as well. Arthur, how you doing, bro? In terms of waiting 40 minutes, I just gave up. Yeah, that's my bad, bro. I'm sorry about that. And I hope many others didn't. Because what I'm seeing is cool. I don't want my money back, bro. But I'd like to join tomorrow to learn as much as I can from a smart future 100 millionaire like you. Thanks, dude. I appreciate you. Well, I forgive you as well. I'm curious where you got the 100 from. Like, where'd you see 100 people signed up? All good. Just stipulate it next time. It says it right here, gang. It says right there. 24-hour access. It's actually the first word it says. So I do. So, you know, like I do stipulate it. You're just fucking retarded and can't read. Like, what you mean, gang? What you mean, bro? It says 24 hours when you went to pay as well. Says it twice. 24-hour access, 24-hour access, live bonus. And by the way, this is a bonus. So order flowing, just tripping. That's all good. Do you sell these tools? I don't really sell the tools. I'd rather show you how to build your own stuff. Yeah, who is buying all these NFTs is the question. No, sorry. Hey, this wasn't towards you. This was somebody else was saying I was scamming because of 24-hour access. I got the Polymarket API. What else does a noob need to try to get something that doesn't work? Nah, I don't really teach here in this. I don't teach day to day. So I got the boot camp if you want to learn this stuff, but this is just over the shoulder. What happens when you watch over a real quant's shoulder? Okay. Who's buying these motherfuckers? Somebody just dropped 423 on one of them. Why? What is this? What is this? See what's going on with the spy here. I'm a front end designer. Thank you, dude. That's a hell of a compliment. Because I'm definitely not a front end designer. I don't know who's buying these or why. Boy, order flowing's got no spine, dude. He flip flop on me quick. He called me a scammer, then he said sorry, and then went back to a scammer. I'm gonna go back to the Zoom chat, fam. I think me and Arthur are on good terms now, so I was just gonna riff on the copers in the chat for a while, but I think me and Arthur are good. Let me in on the whole package, bro. Turn my 5 into 25K on Penguin or something. Nah, bro. Can't do that for you. This stuff's hard, dude. This is hard. This is a hard game. There's no get rich quick around here. Can't turn 5 to 25 like that for you. But if you send me 500 Cash App right now, I'll send you 1,000 tomorrow. That's what you guys ask me to do every day. Oh man, can I plug and play some bot? Oh, you're a scammer because you don't give away plug and play bots. I'm talking 2 different conversations here, but all right. Well, let me just go ahead and close the chat. Much love to you guys. If you do want to join the course, let me go ahead and explain this. Actually, I'll go ahead and explain the course and all that good stuff. How about that? How about that? You can hear big liquidations coming through. If you want to learn how to automate your trading, I'll put a link in the chat here in a second. You can hear people getting liquidated. Licky lickies. We got 111K, 112K, 285K, and so on. Liquidations coming through. If you join the full course, you get the Algo Trade Camp, which is step-by-step 6 weeks training, short and concise videos, exactly how to automate your trading. Even if you've never coded a day in your life, I did not know how to code before I set out on the mission of automating my trading, and I figured it out. I show you everything you need to know in order to take your ideas and automate them. If you don't have ideas, I show you where to get ideas. Not only that, I'll show you how to use AI to do all the heavy lifting for you. So all the deep coding, the hard stuff, you might be thinking, oh, I don't know how to code. I didn't know how to code either. I learned how to code by hand, but now I don't even really code. Just have AI do everything for me. You still have to bring the ideas. You still have to develop your edge. There's no plug and play, make $1 million overnight. No, you can't just turn 5K into 25K just by joining this. That's what everybody expects of me. And everybody wants me to flaunt all these profits so they can just go ahead and plug and play the exact same thing. But when you have integrity, you don't do that. So I'm not going to sit here and say this is easy, but I know for a fact that you're losing money due to your emotions. If you remove those emotions, you will trade better. So I'll show you how to build for any exchange. I show a lot of crypto examples. That being said, in the repos, there are connections for stocks, futures, etc. So I also show you how to build on Solana and Polymarket. Both of these platforms are hard to build for. I make it much easier. Then you get access to all the Zoom calls for free. You don't have to pay for them anymore. I do a Zoom call pretty much every single day, and you get access for free. Plus Quant Elite, which has 300 plus bots and backtests and new code added every single week. And you can use those as examples to go faster. I'm also going to give you my vault. This has all of the deleted videos and streams that YouTube made me take off. The MoonDev API key, you get it for life. Somebody was talking about in the chat just a minute ago how they wanted it for life, not just for 24 hours. This is how you get it for life. Just the liquidation data alone, which is like 1/30th of the API, would cost $900 elsewhere. And this is just a bonus, You get my trading bot GitHub, and you get my AI agents GitHub, and you get the MoonDev app access. So you get 2 GitHubs. That's 100 plus more bots and backtests, 20 plus agents. Everything that I have, I try to get you caught up to speed with me. I show you in short, concise videos in the Algo Trade Camp precisely how to automate your trading. So if you have a strategy that you're running right now and you are losing because of your emotions or because you can't be at the charts all day, okay, well, this is the solution. And now with AI, anybody can do this. I'm not going to charge you $24,000, $12,000, or even $7,200. It's $17.95. Go to moondev.com/go. I will give you 2 hours here to get an extra $300 off just because I got a bunch of friends in the chat today. Just because it's friendly, and I see that you guys want to learn this stuff. Unfortunately, you do have to pay a little bit, but that's good. That's the only way to really get your time back. That's how you time travel. I know something you don't know when it comes to automated trading. And if you find somebody that knows something you don't know, the best way to learn that Just pay him. Took $300 off for the next 4 hours. If you do want to join, go to moondab.com/go. This is where you'll learn everything you need in order to build your own bots. If you're coming to the Zoom, that's awesome. You get live Zooms every single day. These Zooms, I'm doing whatever I need to do to uncover alpha, make my systems better and better, just like Jim Simons told me to do. You got to make your systems better and better because that's what everybody else is going to do. Guess what? I can do it live here on YouTube. I can do it live in the Zooms. There's not one person here that's been here for every minute that I've been here. So why can I share this? For that reason. I've shared everything live. All the edges that I've created, been live. I'm not going to say, hey, this is the one, plug and play. No, dude. Alpha decay. Alpha decay. If everybody ran my systems, there would be no more alpha. If you want to do this for yourself and your own ideas, I'll show you step by step exactly how to do that. That's cool. One of my bots I set up watching you is pretty profitable thanks to you. Yes, it's been a life-changing experience. Hands down, the best decision. You over-delivered. These are people just like you that found me somehow, some way, maybe on YouTube, maybe on Twitter. And they knew that, hey, I can time travel by learning from somebody else something that I need to know. So I'll show you step by step how to build bots. You can see it's $14.99. You have multiple payment options here. You can pay with credit, debit, crypto, Afterpay, Klarna, card, whatever. That link is going in the description now, and then I'm just going to get back to it. Much love to you. If you have questions, feel free to ask them throughout the rest of the day. What do I have to do to just get the course without spreading my cheeks? You don't have to do that. That's definite. You can just join there, that link I sent you, and you're good. Enjoy. Enjoy, bro. Robinhood Funks. Jesus, this is just a. What's going on? Who's buying this shit? Somebody please tell me. Robinhood Punks OTC is. Gosh, dude. What's going on over here? Robinhood Funks, Robinhood Punks. Are they just trying to recreate everything? This is down at 157 now. Let's see what the items are. 167. So we saw this move from 250 to 150. So down. 6 minutes ago. Some sort of vamp. I mean, this is what they're doing with meme coins too, right? But it's interesting. People are trading these. But the question is, like, does it actually stick? People or bots get the volume up? Yeah, probably some bots. Because it's not hard to port over. If you have a Ethereum bot, I think it's just a RPC change. Damn, dude. Sketch. Running and gunning. Sell the NFTs to crypto whales. But the thing is just like somebody's active. People are active over here buying these motherfuckers. That's what's kind of got me tripping. I think I'm on this for the rest of the day, to be honest. So I know a lot of people hate NFTs and shit, but I'll probably be looking at this for the rest of the day. I have more links I need to go through here, but this I got stopped here. I got stopped in my motherfucking tracks. Just look at these numbers. Just look at the numbers, dude. 61%, 41%, 422%, 44%. I know it's on low volume. I get that. Let's go Robinhood only. 82K volume, 32K volume. On-chain hoodies. I haven't looked too much into these. Nobody's buy it though. Did this just go to $10? Like, oh, sorry. I thought these were like 50 cents and now they're at $10. I was like, God damn. 10x on us. Oh, yeah, they did. Well, there's two of them. Oh, punks. Sorry, punks versus funks. They're buying the shit out of this, though. This guy is. Rob Zuki. It's the thing, dude. Is a lot of these are just copies. But I'm spazzing. I'm spazzing. I'm seeing this shit like people sweeping. Like I'm about to start sweeping too. The 50 cents, bro. But why? What's the point? Just because it's cheap doesn't mean you buy it. Somebody stop me from buying all these fucking NFTs. Not financial advice. I'm not a financial advisor. I'm not telling you what I'm buying, and anything I do buy, I will sell. You hear that? It's like I'm risking like $40, you know? I'm just not risking very much. So I know that is still a risk. Like you don't want to just spend money to spend money, but I think I'm just tilted, to be honest. I'm tilted. Fuck, dude. I'm over here buying motherfucking Robinhood NFTs. I think I'm fully tilted. Oh, fuck. Okay, so but that's okay. That's okay. I'm not gonna die. I'm not gonna die from buying a bunch of Robinhood NFTs for $1 a piece. Oh shit. Okay. I'm tilted, dude. I'm tilted. This is a problem. This is a problem. This is a problem. Because now I'm gonna buy all these fucking Robinhood NFTs. And is it real? This is why I'm so impressed with people that can live trade, because like I feel some sort of way of A calling me out. Like I feel bad, you know. I know I was super late today. I know I didn't say shit about it, but like fuck. I'd have to say shit every day. And then I go into the public chat and homeboys calling me a scammer. It's like fuck. Like that's why I'm so impressed with people that can live trade because you know, you're already a human. You're already an emotional person. Like we're just humans. So then having money on the line is crazy. Like that one time I had 100 racks. No, I had like $100,000 with a 40x leverage, and I was live trading here, and everybody was like trying to get me to close my position, and they were like rooting against me. Like that's so impressive if you live trade successfully. Period. That being said, when I was doing that live trade, it was Pico top right here. I was in a short. Everybody talking shit, big shit. What program do you code Polymarket bot? I use Python. Yes, thank you, Jen. Thank you, Jen. I can't believe I'm buying Robinhood NFTs right now, dude. I just can't believe it. Oh my god. I think I need to go outside. I need to take my dog for a walk. You need to reevaluate your life if you're buying Robinhood NFTs. Holy helly. Punks, on-chain hoodies. And I'm buying the fucking super trash too. Boom, boom. Gremlin's not really moving like that, and I don't even like them, so it's just fuck, dude. I don't like NFTs. I do, but like I said, I just don't. I'm not on trend. I'm not on trend. I'm not on trend, and I know that. So that's why I was looking to see if there was any rhetoric around it. Nobody knows anything about this, but there are traders trading this. So maybe it's just bots. Maybe it's just bots. I think that's what I'll do. Is I'm just gonna come back tomorrow and take another look at it. This has gone down to 150 from 250. It went from 250 to 170 back to 250. So there's just so much activity here for NFTs that I'm absolutely looking at these. Yeah, some sketch shit's going on here. You bought all of these? You just bought all of them? Pixelated Clan? What is that total? Because I bought some bullshit. Okay, I bought $600 worth of stuff. So I'm just going to let it chill. Put my little place bets there. This shit's all going to zero, but this is just so the way I justify this is you guys are watching. So, like, okay, 600 divided by 10 other people. That's not that much. And just like with the Solana buy, it's just like, okay, well, if I find something that cooks, you guys also see it. So, on chain hoodies, got a little FOMO here. Just so ugly. The green is just too much. On chain hoodies is the third most volume. Gemini anti-gravity cloud code. Cloud code is the answer. Cloud code is the answer. To any AI, cloud code for sure. But I'm clearly biased, you know. Anthropic is clearly padding my pockets. Clearly, dude. I'm a big Claude guy. Claude, 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 Claude. Autism is winning every time. L, bro, are you in these trenches, dude? Yo, and homeboy about the trenches message. Yo, we got you. Just shoot us an email. No worries. Got you handled. On chain hoodies, I have none of those. Pie. That's just too many. This is too weird for me, and it's gone down a lot. The dip. It's just trading. It's just turning over like a motherfucker. Here, let me Google it. A hop, a tiny bounce. The sound something soft makes when it moves. Nah, dude, I'm fucking hallucinating. I gotta get the fuck out of here. I gotta get the fuck out of here. I gotta go do something else because this is um Robinhood NFTs. We're not going back to NFTs. NFTs are never coming back. As he slowly says goodbye. Slowly says goodbye and kills the Robinhood NFT thesis immediately. Goodbye, old friends. Goodbye. Goodbye, old friends. Goodbye. Okay, so Robinhood NFTs are cooked. What's going on with SpaceX these days? Spy here, still good green little day today. 15-minute here. SpaceX here. Where is it? SpaceX. All right, so that was a short. But the thing is that it boomed first, so that made it very tricky to short. I reckon SpaceX stocks are really gonna boom now that he's bought Cursor, especially. Really? Okay. $1.7 trillion. That's the market cap of it. So he's just getting all his little empires intact. Yeah. We'll see. We'll see. So SpaceX went down quite a bit. It kind of just dumped on retail, but I mean, let's see what it entered at. It's only down 15% from IPO, I guess. But we'll see what happens there. I don't know. I think it's pretty high. But it's easy to say when it's down, though. It's easy to say. So good luck to anybody that's trading that. What's up, Dan? Meta Dan. Metadon. Yeah, what is this whole Russia thing going on? Breaking: Russia's parliament votes Tuesday on a bill that would let companies use crypto for cross-border trade. And there was something else as well. I have no idea. Just trying to learn stuff for real. Nice, dude. That's how you do it, right? Yeah, can you tell me a little bit more about this Russia situation? What's going on with they're approving all types of stuff? Not just this though. Not just the Russian parliament votes Tuesday on a bill. I feel like they just accepted something as when it comes to crypto as well. Thank you. Boom, 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 boom. Boom, 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 boom. How do you get started? With what? Building bots, or if you're trying to build bots, you can join this check out the roadmap or join the bootcamp. The roadmap is a freeway, the bootcamp is not a freeway. Try as much as you want. I'll respond when I'm here. So don't worry about that. Don't worry about bothering me. When I need to lock in, I can just kind of move the chat out the way, you know? Thank you though. Nice, bro. See you every day then. I see you every day. Boom, 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 boom. Kimi K5. I keep calling it that. It's K3, bro. You're just living in the future still. What's the best thing to learn first? I obviously want to make money, but I'm more worried about learning how to use AI. Nice, dude. Um, I don't know. It just depends on what you're trying to do. If you're just trying to learn AI, just go start building shit with Claude Code. You know, build whatever you need around. I would say like automate your life. Go through the boot camp for sure. Boot camp teaches you how to build trade bots, but if you're just trying to learn AI, then just I would start automating everything in your life or building tools for every little thing. You know, just get wet in it. Is the boot camp the 3 hour video? No, that is a that's just like a training. So watch that. Yeah, start there. Start there. That's the masterclass. That's this right here. When you join this the Zoom, you get a bunch of bonuses. The Zoom is $5, but fuck, I give a lot of bonuses, but then I get take to the fucking ringer for over those bonuses sometimes. Like you never said it was 24 hours. It's 24-hour access for the API. But it sounds like Metadan, as long as you come through, bro, you get the API every day. As long as I give out the API for this. And the masterclass, that 3 hour masterclass will show you how to, it's pretty much what you want to get started. So check that out after the stream. Or whenever. It's a YouTube video. I put it on YouTube. It's not like it's for the public, but the unlisted YouTube. All right. So I'm gonna give it one last look. One last look. OX Vamp. This is literally what's happening right now. And these Pi Pies are at 140, so down bad. I didn't cop any. These on-chain hoodies are going up though. Didn't cop any of those either. But I'm not gonna be. I'm not here telling you what I'm buying and shit because then this is sketch, dude. That's sketch. And anything I do buy, if you like sneak up on me and you see what I buy, I'm selling that bitch. At some point. Not financial advice, not financial advisor. I just rather be safe than sorry with all these disclaimers. I'm sorry. So I just say it all the time. It is what it is. Explore items. The playback will be on the same page that you joined on. Oh, this is on Ethereum though. Robazuki's stupid. Probably the worst one I've seen yet. One day volume. It's the on-chain hoodies is up there, dude. Cash Cats. Gremlin Cartel, Nairo. The fully on-chain neighborhood of Web3. Nah, see, once I start looking at the Twitters, I'm just like, oh no, don't bring me back here. Robinhood chain is lit. Hoodies follow hoodies. You don't code, you get AI to do it. Holy helly, dude. Holy Hally is all I gotta say to that, gang. Hey, the one that was giving me the hard time earlier. Fucking blind leading the blind. I would learn how to code. I would learn how to code, Meta. I personally would learn to code. But, you know, I'm kind of a boomer for saying that. Oh, God. I think I'm right, but we don't know. You know, we don't know. We don't know because we never been there, you know? We never been one of these young cats that is just like doesn't learn to code. We don't know. AI doesn't always get it right. You're right. And the questions you ask, etc. Literally sign into GitHub and click copy code and paste it into coding terminal, same language. I'm cooked, he says. I mean, yeah. I don't know, dude. I have no idea. Dude, have fun. Just make sure you're optimizing for fun and you'll have a great time. I mean, I teach you how to code in the boot camp. I teach you how to code. I still think it is. I think it's important because it teaches you how to think. Learning how to code teaches you how to think, and I would say 90 a lot of people just don't know how to think and problem solve. So if you learn to code, you learn how to think and dissect shit and attack problems piece by piece. And when you get into AI coding, you'll be able to do the same thing. But I don't know. I don't know because I learned how to code, so I'm biased. Yeah, I don't know. Like, I have no idea. I would learn. I would just learn for the fucking game. Just do it for the culture. I'm watching everything. There you go. Watch everything. Sixty-seven, 67. I don't like these at all, but I feel like they got the number 3 volume. I'm not risking on these motherfucking Pisos because we literally watched them go from 250 to 130. Can't get replaced by AI for real. Utilize it. I'm AI? I am AI. I'm definitely AI. You're not? You're not AI? I'm AI. Yo, GG player, what up, dude? 777. I love the name, bro. I'm an AI. I've had y'all motherfuckers trick this whole motherfucking time. Are polymarket bots legit? I mean, they're legit, but are you gonna be able to plug and play and print money? No. So they're not legit in that way. You got to have some sort of edge and some sort of strategy that you can put in. I'm an NI. Everyone is what is real. Where does your intelligence and consciousness come from? You're a monkey on shrooms. The shrooms made you. Damn. Negligible intelligence. This guy called me a. Hey, are you calling me a monkey on shrooms? I don't know how to. I don't know how to feel about about that comment, dude. He said that. Okay. Everyone is what is real. Where does your intelligence and consciousness come from? You're a monkey on shrooms. The shrooms made you. Bliss says she's the only one on shrooms. I'm tripping. I'm tripping. I don't know if this guy just called me a monkey or he's making some sort of philosophical thing because I'm gonna go with the second. I think he's just joking. Not magic ones. He didn't call you a monkey. He means general. Okay, generally. Okay, okay. Woo, woo. Either way, it's funny. Monkey on. We're just monkeys on shrooms, huh? So I'm on the shroom blend. Evolution. Imagine what your ancestors did. Shit. My ancestors, huh? That's awkward. I'm on that shroom blend. Nah, I don't fuck with mushrooms. I don't fuck with mushrooms at all, to be honest. Not for me, not for me. Trippy or non, not for me. Trippy or non, not for me. They've done you a glow. That's what matters. As long as it's good for you. Yeah. Doesn't taste like mushrooms. I've heard a lot of good stories. Yeah, I've heard a lot of good stories with these non-trippy mushrooms, but good for your brain. They're good for your brain. Okay, okay. I'm just still stuck in that little kid sense of like, ew, mushrooms. Ew, I hate mushrooms. You know? I just can't get out of that. Can't get out of that. I wish I could. I wish I could. I can't. Take lion's mane. Good for your brain. Hell, he says. Evolution, the ultimate rug pull. Lion's mane, chaga, cordyceps, and reishi. It's worked better for this long COVID than I've got anything else. Okay, okay. Well, that's good. It's working. Your hardware just gotta be a computer, I'd say. I'd say you just need a good computer, like a solid computer. Not like super good, but cordyceps? Okay. That makes sense. Part of the sap family. Isn't that like mushrooms or some shit? That voice text. Here's the full Russia picture, gang. And yes, your memory is right. They already accepted crypto stuff before today. Nice. What happened today this week? The state Duma passed the second and third final readings of the On Digital Currency and Digital Rights Law, a full framework regulating crypto exchanges, brokers, custodians, and asset managers. Still needs the federal council plus Putin's signature. Then takes effect September 1st, 2026. What they'd already approved, the thing you remember, November 2024, mining, no, 2024 gang. You think I'm talking about that? No way. Market read, honestly, the CT framing, 170 million people unlocked, yada yada, oversells it with a 3,800 retail cap unlocked. Basically nothing. All right, well, this is nothing burger. Nothing burger. Electron is some sort of shit that you build apps on. I built my app on it. Yo, Meta Dan, bro, if you're really trying to learn this, I know you joined the lifetime of streams, but you should probably just join the course if you're trying to learn this. In these Zooms, there is not much teaching going on. Fortunately. Unfortunately, that be the case. Interesting. If I pull this out, doesn't seem like I can put it back in. Electron is the software I use to build this app. Slack also used it. And there's some other companies as well. The course is the roadmap, etc. No, the roadmap is just a roadmap. This is the course. You don't have the course. Nobody can get the course until you come here. You've got the lifetime of streams, so you can come to the Zoom each day. Zoom is me cooking whatever I need to cook in the day. This is Electron, by the way. Everything here is Electron. Pretty neat. This is what you get in the full course. Moondove. I'll go up with the link in a second, but it's Algo Trade Camp, which you don't have yet. This is the actual course that shows you how to automate your trading. If that's the interest of you, if you're just trying to learn how to use AI, well, I've also got a course for that, and you get lifetime access to everything here. And I think that you already got the AI stuff. You got the GitHub and the lifetime of streams. That's what you said. So if you want the Algo Trade Camp that shows you how to build your bots, that's this. I think you already have this, which is AI master classes. You don't have the Solana copy bot or sniper course. You don't have the poly market trading bot course. You do have unlimited private Zoom calls. You don't have Quant Elite. This is the big kahuna here. This has 300 plus bots and backtest and new code added every single week. Plus the vault here. I think you have that. You do not have the API key yet. So Moondev API key for life. Trading bot GitHub for life. I think you do have this AI agents GitHub. You don't have the app for life either, but you do get access to it. There's a flash sale. It's not going to be 24, not going to be 12, not going to be 7,200. It's 1,500, 14.99. The link is moondev.com/go. And your question seemed that like you are trying to step on the gas here, which is awesome. To answer your question, stream or the course, Well, it's just what your objective is. You know, if you already know how to build bots, you're automated, then I think the stream is probably valuable, right? Because you're seeing I'm on level 562. The course teaches you how to get up to speed with me. I show you step by step in short, concise videos how to get up to speed with me, how to automate your trading for the rest of your life. So if you ever have an idea, you can go ahead and automate it. I show you in the Algo Trade Camp. And then I give you 300 plus bots and backtest examples that you can learn from and go faster. You also get the Poly Market Trading Bot course, the Solana Kali Bot course, 2 payments of 777 or 1 payment of 14.99. The link is in the description or in the chat if you want to join that. There's a 90-day no questions asked money back guarantee, so it's not even a risk. moondav.com/go. 90-day no question asked money back guarantee. You can see all the people that have had success with this over time. People just like you that have researched me, came across me. I don't know how, YouTube or Twitter probably. So I think this is a nothing burger here with the Russia stuff. So Blizzy's going absolutely crazy here. 63 today. Chain hoodies is still holding here at 69. Want to look at volume? Okay. There's just no volume here. These are like 1,000 volume. Of course they're going up 60%, dude. I think that's the thing. Free mint will conclude in 24 hours. It's a free mint. That's probably why these are so cheap. It was free. I think the problem is the problem with NFTs, even on Robinhood chain, is I'm getting a little bit of what do you call that? Not FOMO, but I mean, sure, there's a little bit of FOMO mixed in, but when something from the past is like doesn't feel good, I'm just blanking on the word. Like, just like something from the past you remember as like, oh fuck that place, I hate it over there. Deja vu a little bit, but there's a word for like, God, motherfucking Americans, huh? No vocab. Not whiplash. Motherfucking major ick, bro. Oh my god. I'm getting a major ick. I am getting a major ick. Oh god. NFTs are a major ick. Fuck. What is it? I'm like scorned. I'm not scorned, but I got motherfucking I know we're not all Americans. Somebody should understand what I'm trying to say. Okay, let's go ahead and explain it. What is that word to explain that feeling where like you go somewhere or like something reminds you of something? It's like you don't want to be reminded of that again. It's like, oh, it's like a feeling of like, oh, it's like trauma, like a little bit like trauma. Yeah, I'm apprehension. No, I got trauma. I have trauma. I think that's what I was thinking about. I feel like there's a different word for that though. But yes, I do have some apprehension. Against PCS day. Not sure what that means. PTSD. Yeah, PTSD. I got PTSD. There we go. It is trauma. So, because that's post traumatic stress disorder. Yeah, I got mad PTSD. Thank you. Triggered. I'm triggered. Okay, it's not the word. PTSD was the one. Thank you. I got mad PTSD from NFTs, so I just I look at them, get a little nervous. Should I own all of them? But this shit's going to zero. Whisper flow's getting worse. My bad. Wonder how long that's been going. All right, Victor. How long have I been muted for is the question. God, I've been yapping. It's all good. Thank you, bro. Let me give you the keys. I saw you just came in here. API key and all that good stuff here is in the chat. Damn, somebody just swept this. Holy helly. Holy helly. Oh, I gotta clean that up. How are NFT trades going? Nothing. They're just here. I'm just kind of in awe still. Just chilling. I bought a few things just to kind of put some spotties down. Spotty yaddy yoppies. The things they're going up, and then they're just a lot of trades, which is crazy. So I'm watching this on-chain hoodies. I don't have any exposure, but it's just a lot of volume. But I think this is one of those things that just can be here today, gone tomorrow. Here today, gone tomorrow. But I think I put my little bets down in case this does go 1000x. If not, like, I'm not tripping. That being said, I have zero exposure to the one that's going the craziest. The two that are going the craziest. And that's always what I do. That's what I do every time. Fucking retard. Long leader. Lunch does sound good. I am getting quite hungry. What'd you get? It's 12:01 though is the problem. Can't get lunch now. Chipotle burrito bowl, nice. Sounds tasty. Sounds real good, actually. It was good. Nice. Healthy as well. I think I'm also gonna go get lunch. So I'll catch you guys probably tomorrow. Because I'm over here on fucking Robinhood chain. I'm on Robinhood chain buying NFTs. Like, that is, I feel like that's the definition of tilt. So, you gotta walk away. Just gotta walk away from the game sometimes. If you're looking at Robinhood NFTs, you're cooked. Brown, brown, brown. Ah, well, come on, girl. Don't fuck with her like that. I'm hungry as well. How much many programs are you making a week? Oh, Glenn's gone. Never mind. 770. What's up? Glenn's gone. Glenn's gone. All right, great, great, great. That's the last one I'm buying. And I have placed my bets on Robinhood Chain NFTs. Probably gonna get smoked. Probably bought all the wrong ones. We'll see though. And that's the fun of it. That's the fun. That's the fun. Careful out there. I know this is an endorsement of anything. Just a degen like you, I just use some code.